think we ever grow up, really. I think the toys that you have as a youngster, if you're going to stay involved with them, are the toys that you take through your, till the time you leave this earth.
Oh, listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland to the hill and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear the lonesome hobo squall, riding through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball.
Welcome to Weird VHS endings, where something weird happens at the end of the VHS tapes. So today we got All Born America's Best Model Trains from 1984. Yeah. I mean, you know what? It's a good times tape. And it's right at the end of the tape. So yeah, that's what happens at the end of a Good Times tape. I placed the black sensor. I placed the black screen of death. So yeah, that's it for this video, and peace out.